Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use your TikTok refund balance when shopping inside the app. First, open TikTok and log into your account. Tap the shop icon at the bottom left of your screen. If you've recently received a refund, it will automatically be added to your TikTok balance. To check your balance, tap the 3-bar menu at the top right and select Payment. You'll see your TikTok balance, which includes any refunded amount available for purchases. Next, pick a product you want to buy. Tap Buy Now, select your color or variation, and proceed to the checkout page. At checkout, scroll to the payment method section. Here, you should see an option that says Use TikTok Balance. Toggle this on. It will apply your refund balance to your order. You can even use it alongside other payment methods if needed. Once your balance is applied, check your shipping address and total amount. Tap Place Order and your TikTok refund balance will be used toward your purchase. If your refunded balance isn't showing, make sure the refund has been fully processed. Sometimes it can take a few hours to appear. And that's it. That's how you can use your TikTok refund balance to shop. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial for more TikTok shopping tips.